Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the eternal wisdom of Lord Krishna, a timeless guide for humanity. Ladies and gentlemen, in the grand epic of the Mahabharata, on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Arjuna stood paralyzed by doubt, torn between duty and despair. It was in this moment of turmoil that Lord Krishna bestowed upon him divine wisdom, a message that transcends time, guiding humanity through its own battles, both internal and external. Then, as now, the world was in a state of moral crisis, where confusion, injustice, and the struggle for power clouded the path of righteousness. As Lord Krishna declares in the Bhagavad Gita, whenever there is a decline in righteousness and an increase in unrighteousness, I manifest myself on earth. As Krishna manifested to restore balance in Arjuna's time, so too does this wisdom remain a guiding force in an era where shadows of doubt, suffering, and moral crisis loom large. The eternal message of Lord Krishna continues to illuminate the way, urging all to walk the path of righteousness, fearlessness, and compassion, as the ultimate cosmic justice shall always prevail. Lord Krishna's words emphasize the need to be fearless and pure, unwavering in determination to lead a meaningful life in an era of uncertainty where fear and anxiety dominate the minds of many. This is a call to cultivate inner strength, to stand resilient against the trials that life presents. The pursuit of truth and sincerity is more relevant than ever in a world where deception, materialism, and superficiality often take center stage. The instruction to give freely and to serve with love and sincerity holds the power to transform not only individual lives but society at large. True fulfillment does not come from amassing wealth or power, but through acts of kindness, generosity, and selfless service. By practicing self-control and detachment, as Krishna advises, joy is found not in possession but in renunciation, freeing the mind from the chains of greed and attachment that cause suffering. In today's world, anger and violence pervade every sphere of life: politics, personal relationships, and even the digital realm. Yet, Krishna's timeless command echoes across ages. Do not get angry or harm any living creature, but be compassionate and gentle. Show goodwill to all. In a time when division, hatred, and conflict threaten the very fabric of humanity, these words serve as an urgent reminder that true strength lies in patience, gentleness, and compassion. What's the way forward? The path to peace, both within and in the world, lies in cultivating vigor, patience, and purity of thought. To lead a righteous life, malice and pride must be abandoned, ego being the greatest enemy of wisdom. The modern world thrives on relentless competition and the pursuit of dominance. Yet, Krishna's wisdom reveals that true victory is not found in conquering others, but in transcending one's own limitations. Every individual has the potential to achieve their divine destiny, but the journey requires courage. The courage to rise above pettiness, to reject anger, to act selflessly, and to remain steadfast in virtue even in the face of adversity. The noise of the world must not distract from the inner voice of wisdom that urges the walk on the path of righteousness. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, Lord Krishna's message to Arjuna was not meant solely for the warrior prince. It was meant for all of humanity across time and space. It is a message of courage, purity, and service, guiding all toward a higher purpose. As the Bhagavad Gita proclaims, wherever there is Krishna, the master of mystics, and Arjuna, the supreme archer, there will also be opulence, victory, extraordinary power, and morality. These words are not mere assurances, they are a clarion call, a call to rise, to act, to embody righteousness with unwavering faith. For wherever Krishna's wisdom prevails and Arjuna's courage awakens, there arises not just victory, but the dawn of a world uplifted by truth, justice, and divine order. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.